Let's start with practice set number 4.1, the fifth one. This question is from the financial planning chapter. The total value with GST, that means any product which you have buy, that is an MRP plus the GST. So we are getting a value with GST of a remote control car, that is rupees 1770. So you have taken a car including the GST amount, that is the billing amount has come to 1770. The rate of GST is 18% on toys. So you should know what is the rate of GST on toys. So rate of GST on toys is 18%. Find the taxable value. मतलब इसका original value find out करना है कार का. What is the original value before applying GST? So you have to find that. Find the taxable value. Then you have to find the central GST, that is central government GST and the state government GST for this particular toy car. So how we are going to start? We are going to start first, we don't know the taxable value. So what we will do, let the taxable value be X. This we are going to consider first. Then we have got the rate of GST. Rate of GST is equals to 18%. All the things are given. You have to just put it properly. Then, since the rate of GST is this, you have got CGST and SGST. That is equals to how much? 9% each. That's why it has come to 18%. 9% of this, 9% of this. So 9 plus 9 is 18. Now we should know the total value. So we'll come to total value of a remote control car with GST. Okay. So we'll write the total value with GST of a toy car is equals to rupees how much? 1770. This we have got. So now with this we are going to find the value of a car, that is X. We have to find the value of the car. So what we are going to write? Total payable amount. Okay. Total payable amount. We want the payable amount is equals to, we can write GST plus taxable amount or taxable amount plus GST. So any way you can put taxable amount plus GST. So total payable amount is how much? We have paid, the total payable amount was 1770. So I write 1770. Taxable amount we don't know. So taxable value is X. Plus GST is how much? 18% of taxable amount. So 18x upon 100. This year you have to take care. So this is a very important statement which you have to take care. Okay. Then afterwards you have to solve this equation. So how you are going to solve this equation? You are going to bring this 18x upon 100 to the left hand side. So 1770 minus 18x upon 100 is equals to X. X will remain that side. Now we will multiply throughout by 100. Multiplying the equation by 100. So what we will get? 177000 minus 18x is equals to 100x. How we got it? By multiplying 100 on both sides. Now, what we are going to do? So now what we have done? Multiplied by 100 on both the sides. So now we'll take this 18 on the other side. So 177000 is equals to 100x plus 18x. So it becomes 1,77,000 is equals to 118x. So therefore x is equals to 1,77,000 upon 118, that is equals equals to 1500. So what is the value of x? So now what is the value of x? So therefore x is equals to 1500. That means, what does this mean? The value, the taxable value is, so they have asked the taxable value. We are going to complete this. Therefore the taxable value is rupees 1500. Now we have completed this one. Now what about GST? So we have to find out the GST also. So now how much GST we have paid? First of all, now we have paid the total amount, that is 1770. The next amount 1500, that is the amount which was supposed to be paid. Now uska difference, the difference between 1770 and 1500 is the GST amount. So what we are going to do is, we are going to write the total payable amount. Okay, the total payable amount is equals to taxable value plus GST. Taxable amount plus GST. So taxable amount plus GST. So in this case, what we'll do little bit of changes. Instead of writing the statement twice, we'll write minus taxable amount minus total payable amount minus taxable amount is equals to GST. So total payable amount is what? 1770 minus taxable amount is how much? 1500, that is equals to GST. We wanted to find the difference between the both. So difference between the both is what? Therefore GST is equals to how much? 270. So now this GST has to be divided in CGST and SGST. Now we have already written CGST and SGST is 9% and GST is how much? 18%. So no need to repeat again. If you repeat also, no problem. So we can write rate of GST we have already written, rate of CGST and the SGST is 9% each. So we can directly go and find GST is equals to central GST plus state GST. Okay, so 9 plus 9 is 18. We know that. So rate of central GST and the rate of state GST is 9%. That is followed because we have already written. So no need to comply and make it bigger. You can stop over there. Now, yes, so you have followed GST is equals to CGST plus state GST. This much you have followed. Now we'll find out the rate, that is the value for this. How much the person has paid for central as well as the state. So over here we'll write CGST on taxable value is equals to 9, that is taxable value, that is 1500 into 9 upon 100, that is equals to, this 2 zeros goes, the 15 into 9, that is how much? 135. Same thing for state GST on taxable value is equals to 1500 into 9 upon 100, that is equals to 15 into 9, that is equals to 135. Here the sum gets over. Now only one thing you have to find. When they have told all this, you have to write the final answer. So final answer is what? You have to write the taxable value. Taxable value. You can write amount also. Is equals to rupees how much? 1500. We have found out the taxable value is 1500. State central GST is equals to how much? Rupees 135. We have got it. CGST 135 and SGST is equals to rupees 135. So in this way the complete sum gets over. But pay attention when you solve, step by step you have to solve. First all the given things are over here. Then what you have to find out, that is the total payable amount. So you will take the formula, complete it, you will find the value for X. The value for X will be the taxable amount and then the payable amount. then GSC, GST, then state GST, and we'll finish it. I hope you have followed this video. Please do like, share and comment this video.